Okay children, next we have punctuations. Repeat with me. How we say punctuation? See, punctuation. Punctuation. What are first time you are hearing this word? Yes. Let's learn it. Very interesting. It will make now you came to first class where you are learning sentences. You are writing big sentences. Yes. So here I will help you with this punctuation how to write beautiful sentences. Okay. So in what way if you write where your sentences will be beautiful? Okay. What things make our sentences beautiful? So for that let us learn what is punctuation. Punctuation marks, these are marks, are like stop sign. Normally traffic signals children, you know the stop signs, red sign, blue, yellow, what are they for, you know? When say red, stop, yes, green, move. So these are the sign. Why we make it? So we can move very no accident, properly we can move from this side to that side without so many vehicles will be coming on the road. So they can move equally each other, helping each other. So that's why traffic signs. So here also when you are in UKG class you used to write only words. Now when sentences you are writing, one sentences you will learn, then another second sentence you will learn. Then you should not, both the sentence should not get confused. Sometimes teachers say question, sometimes teachers say sentence. So what are the different things? How we can make differentiation? Different. There we write so many things, so many ways. Sometimes we ask. Okay, when you ask now your teacher, may I go to washroom teacher? You ask. Then what your teacher answer? Yes, you may. So when you are asking, even that thing, when you ask, how we should write it. When your teacher say yes, then how we should. Sometimes your teacher asks, did you do your homework today? How will you answer? Yes, teacher. Then when your teacher is asking, how we should write that? Then when you answer, how we should write that? So everything, when you talk, how we should, and also we write the same thing. So in what way we will represent it on the paper? That means what way we will write, so that when they see, okay, this is a question, this is the answer. Yes. So today this punctuation marks will help us. So stop sign, it will stop. When it is finished, that marks will tell us these marks. See, 1, 2, 3. These marks will tell us stop, where to stop. And when we are stopping like this, what does that mean? When we are stopping like this, what does that mean? When you are stopping only with this, what does that mean? Okay, so punctuation marks are what? Stop signs at the end of sentences. What are punctuation marks, children? Stop signs. What are they? Stop signs where at the end of the sentences. Okay, repeat after me. Punctuation marks are stop signs where at the end of sentences. Okay, punctuation marks are stop signs where at the end of the sentences. Okay, for example, I wrote here, see, the dog is brown. So you understand dog is in brown color. Okay, I finished the sentence. But if you see, I put a dot here. If I don't put, what I will ask? Suppose you will ask me. That means after this something else I am going to write or finish sentence is stop here. How will come to know? If I use any of this punctuation, then only it means the sentence finish. Your sentence is finished. Without putting that sign here, our sentence will not get complete. Our sentence won't be good or correct or right. So here I will put a dot like this. See, a dot. Can you see, children? Big dot I am using. Actually in paper only single dot we use. Okay, so that you can see in the video I am using a big dot. It's called full stop. Full stop. What we call? Full stop. At the end of a sentence, when we say something, when we are saying something, I am telling. What full stop says? I am telling. If I am a full stop, I will say I am telling. Use me. I am telling. When I am telling, you use full stop. When you say anything, when you say whatever you want to say, normally you are just saying about something. We use full stop. What we use? Full stop. See, dot is called full stop. See, okay, understood? So, when I am saying something, the dog is brown. What I am saying here? Dog is in brown color. I am telling about the dog. Okay, I am telling. So, what full stop is doing? Saying something. So, when I am telling something is called full stop. So, when something is said, when someone is telling something, we use full stop. Okay, children? Next, if you see, I wrote, did you see the dog? Did you see the dog? Here I am saying that dog is brown. The second, did you see that dog? About which dog? The brown dog or any dog. Did you see the dog? When what I am doing here, I am asking you. Did you see the dog? When I am asking, use me. So this one says, when I am asking, this is called question mark, children. What is called? Question mark. So how we put, children, question mark? Like this. See, like a reverse C. Just use it. Okay. So what does this say? Question mark. When I am asking, question mark says, when you are asking, use me. May I go to washroom, teacher? May I read this, teacher? Can I take this pencil, teacher? You say no in the class, so many questions you ask. Yes, for all asking thing, when you are asking, where is your house? Where is your bag? How are you? Yes, all asking things. When you are questioning, that is nothing but asking. Use question mark. Okay, so here I asked, did you see that dog? So what I am doing here? Asking. Have you seen the dog? Chusara, dog ni. So what I do? I use a question mark, because question mark says, when asking, use me. When you are asking, use me. Who is that? Question mark. Okay. Next, wow. He runs fast. Wow. What a beautiful building. Yummy. This ice cream is tasty. So what I am doing? If you see, my eyes are big. I am happy. Yes. So for that exclamation, what we see? Express my feelings. Happy, sad, dull, anything. Whatever you express, your expression, your feelings. I am happy. I am sad. If for my face you can know. Yes, when you are sad, your eyes will be down, your face will be dull, no smile. That you understand? Sad. But when that is written, when you write on a paper, how you will understand, children? You can't understand. Okay, if your friend is writing some sorry letter for you, okay, friend, I am sorry, friend, I am really sorry. Because that many times sorry, you understand my friend is sad. Yes. So while writing, what are the words or which mark will tell us that I am happy, sad, or what? This mark. What is this called, children? Exclamation. So normally now you are not going to use this exclamation, very less, but you must learn. So basic, these are your exclamation mark. Okay. So these are your punctuation marks. So exclamation will tell you when you are happy. So how you know? Wow, he runs fast. Which? The dog runs fast. So what I am using? Exclamation mark, children. Understand? Okay. So I will explain you with some examples where to use these three: question mark, full stop and exclamation mark. Okay, we'll continue in our next video, children.